Minimally Invasive Surgery Center, as a contract research organization, has specialized in preclinical in vivo trials, studies, and testing of devices for the pharma, biotech, and medical devices industries, following specific protocols within the Good Laboratory Practices (GLP) of the Spanish Agency for Medicines and Medical Devices to provide safety and efficacy preclinical studies. Furthermore, the centre has a business area as a hub for startup companies to promote entrepreneurship and business development in Extremadura. It also offers a medical printing laboratory focused on research in additive manufacturing techniques in medical field and an illustration department that provides services on medical art, scientific illustration, graphic design, photography, clinical video, and promotional material.